Hello everyone. This is my web app right here that I made, and I'm going to demonstrate what the temperature converter can do. You can type any number and it'll come out, if you type in Fahrenheit, it'll come out as whatever it is in Celsius. And same with Celsius, I think you can do it. Yeah, I can. It'll come out as whatever it is in Fahrenheit. What I'm going to be doing is getting rid of the temperature converter. So basically what I'm going to be doing is going to my programming editor, going to the JavaScript functions, getting rid of anything to do with Fahrenheit. Basically I'll be getting rid of this one. And let's go down here into the JavaScript event listener and get rid of this. Save. Now that we're going to go into the HTML, we're going to get rid of this. That. Now let's go to our FTP. By the way, this is the computer side. The left side is the computer side, and the right side is the server side. So what we're going to be doing is scrolling or moving this over to the server side. Move it over there. Now let's move this over here. Now what we're going to do is go back to our web app and refresh. And it's gone now. Now let's go back to our coding editor and to go back into JavaScript, go up into the functions. And there it is. Now what we're going to do is copy this JavaScript function and paste it right there. Oh, sorry, that didn't mean to happen. It's a copy. There we go. Now let's change that to Fahrenheit to Celsius. And let's get rid of that Celsius to Fahrenheit formula. And now let's look up Fahrenheit to Celsius formula. And now let's copy this formula right here and paste it. Let's get rid of that S, because in computer programming we put asterisks for multiplication. And let's get rid of that. Retype that. Now that we're finished with this JavaScript function right here, now we're going to go down into the event listener, the JavaScript event listener. Let's copy that and paste it and name it Fahrenheit, and the bottom part Celsius, because basically what we're trying to do is be the opposite of this. And we'll change that to Fahrenheit to Celsius. And how this JavaScript event listener connects to this JavaScript function right here is by, in the JavaScript event listener, this part scans for the name Fahrenheit to Celsius in the JavaScript functions area. Now that we're done with the JavaScript, now we're going to HTML, and we are going to copy this right here and paste it on line 39. Anything that says days on line 40 to 41 will be changed to Fahrenheit. There we go. And anything that says seconds on line 43 to 44 will be changed to Celsius. Now that, and how this part of the HTML connects to this part of the JavaScript is by like right here. And this means if it has a hashtag, it means that it connects to an ID in the HTML. Now that we are finished with the computer programming part, now let's go to our FTP, move this over, and move that over to the server. Slide this from the computer side to the server side. Now let's go back to our web app and refresh. Oh, our temperature converter is back. Now let's test it and see if it works. Let's type a random number in. It works! Thank you for watching and learning how to make a converter.